The OSIYM Food Vacuum Sealer Machine is an impressive addition to any kitchen, boasting a sleek stainless steel and ABS design that combines aesthetics with functionality. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to store, making it suitable for both home cooks and professional kitchens alike. Operating at a power of 110 watts and designed for 110 volts AC, this vacuum sealer stands out in terms of its automatic operation mode, which simplifies the sealing process. The intuitive controls allow for quick and efficient sealing, ensuring that food remains fresh for longer periods by removing excess air from packaging. With package dimensions of 1717, 925, 469 inches, the OSIYM model fits comfortably on countertops without occupying excessive space, appealing to users with limited kitchen real estate. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, as evidenced by an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars from 29 ratings. This rating highlights its reliability.
Magnetic Spice Storage Rack Organizer from Huggy Gems presents a practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen organization. Crafted from sturdy metal with a sleek black finish, this product strikes a balance between functionality and modern aesthetics, making it suitable for various kitchen styles. Measuring 11.8 D, 4.33 to 433 H, each shelf offers ample space for spices and cookware, and the entire unit can support an impressive weight capacity of up to 50 pounds. Whether you're an avid cook or simply wish to declutter your kitchen, this organizer can efficiently accommodate your needs without occupying too much space. Installation is a breeze with no assembly required. The mounting options provided, door mount or under.
The Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 stands out as a versatile kitchen tool that adeptly combines functionality with durability. With its robust stainless steel blade measuring 10 inches, this product offers a reliable cutting experience for a variety of tasks, particularly for slicing eggs and vegetables. Its V-shaped blade design ensures precision, making it suitable for both casual cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Compact in size, measuring 11 or 18 in length, 5.47 in width, and 5.2 in height, this kitchen device fits comfortably in most drawers while also being lightweight at just 246 pounds. The gray color and sleek design add a modern touch to any kitchen decor, making it not only practical but visually appealing. One of the standout features of the Mueller Pro Series is its multi-purpose capability. It can efficiently handle various tasks beyond simply slicing eggs, accommodating vegetables and more, thereby streamlining meal preparation. This adaptability is a significant.
Toto is a delightful addition to any kitchen, combining functionality with whimsy. This brush offers a charming design inspired by a gnome, making dishwashing not just a chore but a fun experience. With its colorful appearance and fantasy theme, it resonates well with those who appreciate unique and playful kitchen gadgets. Made from durable plastic, the Beardy dish brush measures 3.3 inches in length and width, and stands 4.5 inches tall, ensuring it fits comfortably in hand. Weighing just 3.53 ounces, it is lightweight, which adds to its ease of use. The rectangular shape is practical for cleaning a variety of surfaces, particularly glass, while the design aids in reaching difficult areas of pots, pans, and dishes. User feedback has been overwhelmingly positive, with an impressive average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 465 reviews, indicating a high level of customer satisfaction. It ranks as the top product in the fruit odds vegetable.
Blitz Home sous-vide machine impresses with its sleek design and functional capabilities. With dimensions of 2.83 inches in diameter and 15.07 inches in height, it is compact enough to fit into any kitchen without occupying excessive counter space. Its lightweight design at just 256 pounds allows for easy handling and storage. This sous-vide machine is equipped with a robust 1100-watt heating element, ensuring that water reaches the desired temperature quickly and maintains consistent heat for perfectly cooked meals. It operates within a temperature range of 77 to 198.5 degrees Fahrenheit, providing versatility for a range of culinary techniques. The 15-liter capacity caters well to both small and large cooking batches, making it an excellent choice for home cooks and meal prep enthusiasts alike. Users will appreciate the modern control methods available. The Blitz Home Sous Vide machine offers both app and touch controls, allowing for seamless operation and